Welcome to the FLEXPoint video tutorial series. In this video, we'll go over how to create and manage virtual meters. To get started, connect to your meter and navigate to the configuration page in the FLEXPoint application. Your PowerScout FLEX meter is designed with maximum flexibility in mind. You can configure as many virtual meters as needed for your requirements, up to the maximum number of virtual meters supported by your specific model. By default, your PowerScout FLEX meter has no factory virtual meters configured. To create your first virtual meter, click the Add Virtual Meter button. Configure your virtual meter according to the physical setup on your electrical loads you intend to monitor. First, give your virtual meter a description. We recommend a description that will help you clearly identify what loads you are measuring. In this example, we will use mains as the description. Next, if applicable for your meter type, make sure to identify the correct voltage input reference. Select the load circuit breaker type you will be monitoring according to your wired setup. The next step is to configure your virtual current channels associated to this meter. This is where the flexible capabilities of the PowerScout FLEX meter comes in. For each virtual meter, you can assign up to 3 virtual current channels as necessary. Each channel can be associated to any physical CT attached to your meter. This capability allows you to maximize your meter's available CT inputs and allows for simple, straightforward one-time CT setup. By default, your virtual current channels are assigned the next available physical CT input. If required, you can select a different CT input. Next, choose your voltage reference according to your CT wiring. And finally, identify your CT details by clicking the Select Type button. You can choose your specific CT from the CT picker list. If you need to make any adjustments to the phase shift, multiplier, or CT sign polarity fields, you can do so. Most configurations will have the same CT attributes for each virtual current channel. However, if necessary, you can choose to configure a different CT type for each available channel. Once all your virtual current channels have been configured, save your new virtual meter by clicking the Save and Send to Meter button. This will automatically send your new virtual meter to your PowerScout meter. Alternatively, if you wish to configure multiple virtual meters and then send them all to the PowerScout meter at once, you can choose to save without sending. At any time, if you need to make configuration changes to an existing virtual meter, you can do so by clicking the Edit icon. Your existing configuration can be changed as necessary. Congratulations! You have configured your first PowerScout FLEX virtual meter. Continue to create additional virtual meters as needed for your setup. This concludes the Creating and Managing Your Virtual Meters tutorial of the FLEXPoint application.